Hey guys, welcome to a week in the life of my locks and what I'm doing with my hair. If you're new to this channel, my name is Celia. In this video, I'm just going to be sharing some of the products that I'm using, some of my routines, and the styles that I'm using and how long they last, just to share it with you guys. Now, I'm starting off with washing my hair. I know you guys have seen me talk about this shampoo bar. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I actually use it. I really like using this shampoo bar because it lathers up really well and gets between the strands rather than you using the liquid shampoo. I'm going to be shampooing twice, but the first shampoo I'm really just focusing on my scalp, and for the second shampoo, after I'm done rinsing, I'm going to go ahead and focus on the strands of the locks. If this is your first time seeing me talk about this shampoo bar, this is a product from a line that my loctician dropped recently. So it is very new, and this is just realistically what I've been using lately. It's not sponsored, but I do like the way this shampoo bar works because it makes my hair feel really soft and fluffy and clean at the end of it. So as you guys can tell, we're going to do some pipe cleaner curls. I'm going to try to make them neat enough to where I can wear the pipe cleaners by itself for a couple of days, but I'm using my hydration mist from the Pure Locs line. My pipe cleaners are from Michael's, the craft store, and I've had these pipe cleaners for a good while. It comes with a whole lot in there, so I've had maybe 2 to 3 sets of pipe cleaners that I've gone through for styling, and I still have enough. So there's a whole lot in there, and I really like that this is a black color, so it blends in with my hair easily. Throughout the duration of me doing these pipe cleaner curls, I did get kind of tired, so not all of them came out the same size or as neat as I wanted them to be, but I was still satisfied at the end. I just want to put it out there that doing pipe cleaners are a lot of work. It may look easy, but honestly this took me 2 hours to install, and it always takes me at least 2 hours to install. It is worth it how long it lasts though. And another thing is, when it comes to the solution that you use to make your hair damp for these pipe cleaner curls, you do not have to use a conditioner spray. Honestly, all you need is water, and just to make sure that your hair is dry enough and it dries all the way so that the curls set and they come out full and nice. So I did end up wearing my hair like this underneath my scrub cap for a day, and the next day I decided to take it out because I was going for a dinner. I'm not necessarily going to separate it that much, so I'm just gonna kind of take it out. I want to maintain the curls because I did notice that, you know, the less you separate it in the beginning, the longer it lasts and the more fuller it'll get as the days go on. So this did take about 30 minutes to take all the pipe cleaners out. I couldn't really unravel them. I just slid them out and it worked out that way. And I didn't use any oils to kind of like, you know, take my hair out. I think I was fine just, you know, re-raveling it with my fingers. And this is how it looks. I decided to separate it just once and do the twirly motion just to add a little bit more volume to my hair and so that it's less work after I get out of work to kind of poof my hair up for the dinner. Like I said, the less you separate your hair in the beginning, the longer it'll last curl-wise. Like this hairstyle, you can stretch it out to up to 2 weeks, but I already started separating it early. I'm also very active in the gym, and I was doing a lot of swimming this summer. This is actually the next day, and I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm trying to find a way to put my hair, and I ended up doing this little cute hairstyle, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks another day into the week. For my hair, I'm going to do kind of like a half up, half down hairstyle. I'm going to leave the edges out because I don't want too much tension on my edges. I really like this little hairstyle, or like variations of this hairstyle where I have hair down in the front and then I kind of pull it back a little bit. I never said or mentioned, but to maintain this hairstyle in between days, you want to basically rake all your hair up into a pineapple on the top of your head and use a spacious silk bonnet afterwards to put on top of it. This is actually the next day, so I think this is day 6, I believe. And I'm separating my hair some more to add more fullness. And I was actually getting ready to go work out again. This time I was going to go up the mountain hiking outside, so I did a lot of sweating after this workout, and my hair looks a little different the next day because not only did I do the sweating, I actually went to the pool and I got splashed a couple of times, so these curls are not as defined as they were in the beginning. Hey guys, so this is really more than a week since I did the pipe cleaner curls. I really like how it's still full. Like I said, I went to the pool and I got splashed quite a bit, but I still have a lot of fullness in my hair. But when I woke up this morning, I did go ahead and I put some more of the hydrating mist in there. I just sprayed my scalp because I don't want the curls to fall even more, and I used a comb to kind of like detangle it, and the curls still, you know, curls are still curling a little bit. It's a little wavy. And yeah, this kind of sums up the video. It's basically a week now. Excuse me, a little bit over a week, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below. I keep burping. Please leave a comment below if you guys have anything to ask or if you want to share anything, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.